My name is Gabriela Celo and I go to Tucson High. I'm a senior.
My name is Isabel Rivera. I'm a senior at Base Aurora Valley.
I took the pharmacy because I liked that I'd still be in med and that I'd be hands-on but less with the gory things.
I was more interested in the chemical engineering aspect of the pharmacy technician class, and I originally wanted to get some lab experience in it, but it actually opened me up to a very nice field of healthcare and not just engineering.
I really like when we learn about what the medications do and where they work and like what stops them from working.
We had to learn about medication interactions with the body and with different diseases, just how medication works in general. And it's not just making medications, it's learning the processes behind them and how they work.
Lots of team building and getting to do hands-on things with people that work differently than you, so we learn how to work together under any circumstance.
Especially other pharm techs, other pharmacists, because you are going to need that skill in the actual field. You need to communicate with people. Multitasking is another good one. Learning to work with your hands and sort of process stuff at the same time.
Definitely gonna help when we're working with people that are different from us, have different work ethics and mindsets. We can know how to be flexible in situations like that.
My favorite part has to be the labs. Not only do I get lab experience, but also it's very unique, showing how the processes of each medication are made and how that's going to play out for any future jobs. It gives you all the experience that you need that you would get normally on job training. So if you're looking for, getting a job straight out of high school or going down a career path as opposed to a college path, if you need clinical experiences for maybe a resume or a job, or if you want to go into another healthcare, learning to work with medications is also part of it because that's also a big factor in some other medical fields.
I originally was taking this so that I could get more experience with the science behind the medications, so I knew how they work and I was going to build from there. But I found out that I actually like being hands-on with patients and that a pharmacy is just a step to becoming like a doctor or a nurse, so I can use this and go one of two ways.
I originally just wanted to do chemical engineering. Now I'm looking more towards medicine manufacturing, bring in that medication and pharmacy background just to help people in general. Probably going through the medical field that way.
It's been a blessing. It's very amazing that we can do so much at such a young age, and it's given to us for pretty much nothing. And it's gonna do good things for us, and it's something that I think a lot of people should do.
I feel very prepared just going into the workforce directly. It's definitely a major head start as opposed to waiting until after graduation or when things get busy during college. It's a great way to get a head start before everything gets busy and you have to deal with a lot of adult responsibilities.
A good experience, you make lots of really close friends, you get to do fun things and start in a place in life that most adults are still struggling to get to.